How to use Sales Ape AI full guide 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use Sales Ape AI. So for that, first of all, you have to connect your system, like integrate Sales Ape AI with your website, CRM and preferred communication channels, email, SMS, WhatsApp, etc. Sales Ape AI says that this allows the AI to automatically receive and respond to leads. And after that, you have to specify the type of leads you are looking for and the desired outcomes like qualified leads and demo bookings. And after that, you can customize the AI's response, tone, and behavior to align with your brand and sales process. And then the AI agent analyzes incoming messages, emails, forms, chats, etc., and responds within seconds, qualifying leads and answer questions. The AI engages in conversations to understand the lead's needs and determine their suitability for your product or service. And based on the conversation, the AI will either pass the lead to your sales team or politely end the conversation. And after that, the automation and optimization part, Sales App AI can automate follow-up emails and message to keep leads engaged, and the platform can automate the process of scheduling sales calls, ensuring there is no opportunity or missed. Sales AI can segment leads based on their behavior and characteristics, enabling targeted communication, and the AI can create personalized landing pages to showcase your business and its offerings to prospects. And after that, Sales App AI provides a user-friendly interface to track the performance of your AI agent, monitor lead engagement, and gain insights. And then the insights you gather from the analytics can be used to further train your sales team and refine your AI agent's performance. In essence, Sales App AI acts as a virtual sales assistant handling initial leads engagement, qualification, and follow-up, allowing your sales team to focus on closing deals. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.